In this video, I will tell you that how to draw outlines perfectly using grid method. In grid method, we simply draw grid on the source from where you will draw. It can be a print, photograph or an image in your phone. Download artist grid for grid in your phone. Draw grid or boxes in this way. This is a drawing of an animal I am currently drawing. I will post later in the short. Start with any part you want. I always start drawing from eyes. See that in which box the eyes are and draw in the same box in your grid.